We believe every life is precious and unique and deserves the utmost care. At Bloomage Biotech, we empower every life to radiate vitality. Life is meant to be vibrant. We integrate digital innovation into every step of our technological journey. In partnership with AUSTAR, we have built the Bloomage Biotech 4.0 digital factory, fueled by cutting-edge scientific and technological innovation.
With a global vision, we pursue excellence in production and operations, empowering Bloomage to unlock the vibrant essence of life. Technology-driven, we provide end-to-end digital transformation solutions for Bloomage, from strategic consulting to full-scale implementation. Through lean operational consulting, standardized business processes, and integrated digital systems, we help build a fully connected digital factory, progressively shaping a digital, intelligent, and smart Bloomage ecosystem.
We conducted an in-depth assessment of Bloomage's operations and digital maturity across all business domains. Based on the core challenges identified, AUSTAR tailored a targeted roadmap, kicking off with digital and lean operational consulting, then leveraging digital systems to amplify and elevate optimization outcomes. After hitting key milestones in the consulting phase, including building a robust daily management system and standardizing critical business processes, we launched full-scale system deployment. We delivered the manufacturing execution system, distributed control system, warehouse management system, equipment management system, laboratory management system, and seamless integration with more than 10 other platforms. Through this integrated approach, we have embedded lean and standardization dividends into a robust digital backbone, driving continuous and leapfrog operational efficiency growth. AUSTAR's consulting team developed a comprehensive daily management system and lean improvement framework for Bloomage. Powered by data-driven insights and coordinated management, both production yield and overall equipment efficiency (OEE) have achieved remarkable gains.
In the warehouse dispensing room, we leverage MES terminals to optimize material identification and weighing workflows. These terminals enable accurate tracking of every material, ensuring full traceability and clear identification. During dispensing, operators conduct precise weighing and apply dedicated labels to each prepared batch, boosting accuracy, enhancing efficiency, and eliminating human errors in warehouse management. Our MES and DCS systems synergize to deliver a seamless fermentation process. From seed inoculation to cultivation and fermentation, we fully integrated batch management and control, tailored to Bloomage's production requirements. Production orders generated in the ERP system are automatically synced to MES, which then triggers the DCS and batch control systems. Throughout the production cycle, DCS and MES interact seamlessly, enabling end-to-end automation and making Bloomage's operations more precise, efficient, and reliable.
In the intelligent laboratory, inspection requests are auto-generated by upstream information systems. Labels are automatically printed, and laboratory workflows are seamlessly triggered. No manual intervention required. LIMS integrates deeply with multiple instruments, enabling a smart, streamlined testing process that significantly reduces lab workload. Once testing concludes, COA reports auto-upload to the ERP system, with QA conducting final release based on COA results. We refined every operational step, leveraging lean management principles to optimize production resources and enhance overall operational efficiency. With a digital factory, you gain a stable production model, real-time visibility through continuous data monitoring, and full compliance with global industry regulations and standards. As a trusted partner, we've built a lean-driven digital factory for Bloomage, empowering dual excellence in efficiency and quality, and preserving the vitality of its products. Innovation inspires us. Intelligence propels us. AUSTAR delivers smarter pharmaceutical engineering solutions to enhance global drug safety and efficacy, safeguarding and enhancing human health.